How to copy link of Facebook page. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to copy link of Facebook page. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Facebook app is up to date. If not, please open your App Store or your Google Play Store and search for Facebook and make sure to click on that update button if it is available. Once you have updated your Facebook app, simply open it, and then right here, there are actually two steps that I will be teaching you. So the first one is the copying of the link of a Facebook page made by someone, and then the second one is the copying of your own Facebook page. So let's go first with the Facebook page from someone. So for example, I just opened the Facebook page made by Facebook. And then, once you are in the Facebook page of someone, simply click on the share button found on the upper right corner of the screen, and then simply click on copy link right here. And then also, um, moving on with the second step or second way, if you're going to copy the link of your own Facebook page, then you just simply need to go to your menu found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're right here, go to Pages and then choose the page that you want to share or copy the link. And then you may be able to see these options right here on the topmost part. Simply swipe left like this one and click on More right here. And then scroll down and then look for the copy page link option right here. So click on copy page link, send it to your friends, and then that's it. That's how you can copy link of Facebook page. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.